Hello, welcome back to the channel. Something a bit different today. Bit of workshop maintenance. Today I'm going to be showing you in this video how I fabricate this drawer from scratch to try and use up some of this space under the bench. So we'll get into the video then. So what I've done so far, I marked out this bit of steel. I've already cut it down. It's just about 3.5 deep, so I can put stuff in there. It ain't gonna catch or nothing. So I've done it 3.5 deep either side. Cut the side bits out because I'm gonna have to make them on. And I marked out this bit here, just so I can roll it and have a handle, because I don't really want to put a conventional handle on there when it's set back in under the bench. I've got something just to grab hold of to open it. I bought these heavy duty runners, just draw runners. So we'll try these out. So they do come out a long way, but we'll try them. They come from the roller ones come from B&Q, just a cheap set, so we'll try them. But yeah, that's all marked out and ready to go. Turn the bend around in the vise so the handle's at the back, and I'll turn this top plate round, because that way I'll get a 90, and that way I can get that to bend in like it has. So that's the lip bit. As you can see, that's my handle now for the drawer. So we'll now fold that front up and then fold the back up. There's the basic shape of a drawer. So I've got my handle at the front, like that. I might bend that down a bit. A bit more in a minute. That's the basic shape. I've just cut the corners off with a pair of tin snips. So now I'll get that side welded in, and the same the other side, and then we've got a nice deep drawer then. And I'll come back in a minute. Right, it's all welded up, both sides. It's all done, so it's just got to be cleaned up. We'll let that cool down. We're going to have a cup of tea and come back. But that's basically basically the drawer taking shape. Right, I'll let it cool down, have a cup of tea, and then I'll come back. Right, I've purchased these 5mm stainless steel bolts with a dome head on it. Bots come with nuts, and I've also got some stainless steel washers as well. The drawer, it's had a paint. I'll give it a lick of paint sort of around the sides and underneath. The inside still wants doing. I've cut some steel out, heavy duty normal steel, sort of the width of the bench and to go up. Then I've drilled 5 holes across the bottom, 5 holes across the top, and mounted that in. I've then drilled and bolted my runners on, and then I've drilled and bolted this on. I drilled the first 2, one either side. I've got the right height, and then I got me where are they? I've got these mole grips in there just to hold it in place. So I've drilled them all in and bolted 3 either side. So I think that's sort of finished it off. I still want a lick of paint on the other inside and a bit on the outside. I've curved these edges here, so you've got a nice lip to go. That was the drawer rollers I got, but yeah, that comes out nice now. I can put whatever I want in there now. Probably going to make up, I've run them bits of steel down there so I can actually make up some more now to go all the way down different depths, and I'll probably do that side as well, make some thinner ones in just to go down there, but that'll free up some space. But I think that's worked out pretty well. That snaps back, and also when you stand here you're not going to rub up against it because it tucks under the bench. All on roller bearings. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed me how I made my drawer, and thanks for your comments, and thank you for subscribing to the channel. The channel is now growing and it's getting bigger. Seems to be everyone seems to be enjoying what I'm doing, but this was just something different today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.